I love Nutella! Oh, yeah! What? It's gone? No! Huh? Something's up! Ugh! Who's screaming so hard?
What a beauty! Wait! Someone needs help!
Ah!
What's wrong?
Nutella's gone! Calm down. Eat something else. Everything else is gone too! Ugh. Whoa! Where are we? Welcome to the cooking challenge! Hey! Check that out! Start now! What? Use corn.
Nice pick.
What should I grab? Oh, this works. Okay. First, pour the water into these cups. Done. Huh?
Great coffee!
Oh my. Alright, next step. Dump in the corn. Add a little water. Close it up and turn it on. Now we wait. Nap time. Popcorn's gonna pop itself. Oh, she's adorable when she sleeps. Alright, my turn. Grab a cup and pour in some corn. Now a bit of sugar. And toss in some ice. Just like that. Perfect. Pour in the milk. Add something healthy. These flakes will do. Now something yummy, too. Scoop of ice cream. Yes, please. Pop in a straw, and we've got a sweet super shake. Amazing. Oh, wait. Can't forget Grandma's love. There we go. Huh? Whoa, what's that smell? Oh no, sweetie, wake up! Uh-huh. What's going on?
Don't worry. You'll see.
Wait! Ah! Oh, poor thing. Well, hey, at least you got a shower. What just happened? My popcorn burned! Oh. Sorry, honey.
It's okay. Let me show you how it's done. Grab some corn. Drop it on foil. Add some Skittles. And a chunk of butter right on top. Cover it with more foil. Seal it tight on every side. Nice! Poke a hole in the top. Onto the skillet it goes. Let's go! Think it's ready. Let's check it out. Behold the ultimate snack. I call it popcorn a la Skittles.
Whoa! Let's see who won! Time for the taste test! Whoa! Rainbow popcorn? Yum!
My signature.
This one's burnt? Yuck! My bad. And what's this? Let's try it. Whoa! This is delish! Grandma, you win! Me? Oh, that's so sweet! Thanks, darling! I'm hungry. Hey! Hello?
Huh?
Make pancakes. Alright, sweetie. Eggs. Oh, there you are. Not so fast! I need those too. Oh my! Now add sugar. Yikes. And flour. Oh. When will you learn? Watch this. No shells in the egg, please. Oh, okay. Scoop sugar gently with a spoon. Just like that. See? Got it. I'll try. Slowly.
Oh, a real chef always has batter ready. Set the mold on the pan. Pour in yellow batter. Now blue batter around the edge, like this. Lift the mold, flip the pancake. Looks done. Let's take it off. Stack it up. Pancake masterpiece complete!
Whoa. So pretty. Hey, don't let that one burn. Time to flip it. I think it's ready. Nailed it. See? Now where's the ladle? Feels like something's missing. Oh, got it! Grab a pancake. Place the stencil on top. Now spread Nutella. Oh yes! Gotta load it up. Like that. Done! So pretty! Hey Grandma, look! Oh, great! Thanks! Nice job. Now, where's that ladle? Time to have some fun! Let's make a little swap. Oh, there you are. Let's begin. Pour a little batter on the pan. Swap tools and check it. Kinda tiny, but smells good. Skewers should work. Slice the strawberries and skewer them. Stack them with pancakes, just like that. Oh, yes. Perfect. Now drizzle chocolate syrup. Cover every bit. Can't have too much. All done. Looks pretty good. Everyone finished? Let's turn them in. All right, judging time. Leopard pancake. Meh, kinda mid. Next up, a chick? That's adorable! Delish! And this one… Cool presentation! Oh yeah! Super tasty! Okay, these pancakes win!
I knew it, yes! Thank you.
Okay, listen up! I want a fruit dessert. Got it.
Excuse me? That one's mine!
Back off, buddy. Oh no!
Huh?
I don't feel so good.
Fine, here.
Really? Oh, thanks, sweetie. That's so kind. Oh, he totally fell for it. Fool. All right, let's go. Slice the pineapple. There we go. Press the cutter in real good. Now punch out the middle. Boom! Pineapple flour. Move it to the tray. Love strawberries. Now grab sugar and some glaze. Add water and heat it up. Stir it well. Time to coat those pineapples in caramel. Get it on all the flowers, just like that. Now freeze it. Once it hardens, dessert's ready! So pretty! Huh? Stop snacking! Start cooking! Oops, right. Grab a strawberry and cut it in half. Lay it down like this. And press out a heart. Now draw a big heart with chocolate glaze. Place the strawberry in the middle. And circle it with chocolate balls. Snug and packed, more balls means more fun. Chill 'em and boom! Choco strawberry hearts! Watch and learn.
Amateurs, time for the real deal. Take sugar, add food coloring. Pour in water and mix it up good. Now pour it over raspberries in a glass. Now what?
Just gonna snag a berry. Oops! Clumsy me! Ha ha ha!
That's what I needed. Oh no! What happened? Oh, who did this?
Oh my! I didn't see anything!
No biggie, I got this. Set the glass in rice to hold it steady. Pour in white coloring. Drop in a few raspberries. Top it with red caramel. Once it sets, add more berries and more caramel. Oh yeah! Now that's dessert.
Not bad. So cool.
Judge, we're ready.
Whoa! It all looks amazing! These flowers even sparkle. Actually, I don't like pineapple. Oh. Let's see what's next. Ew, interesting. Trying it. Ew, so sour.
What? No way!
Now for this one. Looks cute. That's delicious. You win! Me? Yay! Best chef ever!